Hello guys!
Hello vlog. Hello guys.
Hello mga
I'm here in
ka-vlogs.
Batangas.
Boasting!
I'm here in Batangas.
Look at the peoples with us. They were all sleepy, tired
Let me
because
drive,
we
please.
We are early bird.
Let me show you my skills.
Joaquin still laughing again. Say hi, Joaquin.
Hello vlog.
What about Ate Princess?
Hi,
Kuya Sando. Kuya Sando. And
Let me drive, bro.
the one who is sleeping. Oh my God, always sleeping.
Get out of here, man.
And our driver.
Oh, drifting.
And we forgot pala. I forgot. I'm so sorry. Hey, Dai! Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Dai!
Why? What's
Oh my
Kaway
God,
ka muna,
see?
Day.
She's not sleeping anymore.
She's wake up. She woke up. Ano she's wake up? I mean, she already woke up.
Nilaro lang na dito po yung kalsada eh.
So guys, hinihila na yung topic natin. Galing, oh. Yan. Ayan kami dito. Ay, Dan, bigyan mo ko isa. Isang life vest. Bigyan mo ko isa. Bigyan mo ko isa. Bigyan tayo ng life vest. Oy, ingat. Para sa protection. Okay. Palitigo tayo. Palitigo tayo. Ayan, ganda. Okay, malalim na. So, hinihila na yung bagsa namin. Ayan ang cottage. Dalawang cottage guys. Pamili namin. Kasama ko. Sa baba. Sa baba tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan kami. Hi. Need some luck. You ready? Everything all ready. Yan na guys.
Ano ba yan? Nababayaran niya.
Yan. Mamaya. Hi kuya. Kuya. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Dave. Say hi.
Hi, Dai!
Oh. Hi guys. Hi baby.
Dito sa likod lang sabi.
Hi. Hi everything. Kailangan ng sunblock. Yay. Yay. Ay, hinihila na kami guys. Dali na kami doon sa malalim.